Ugh. More trash. Oh yeah. All right, so I got my buddy's trash basically picked up and put someplace so he can come get it now. Some of my trash is gonna go right in there and get burned, but I don't think there's any burning allowed in the county right now. They don't really like you burning boxes either. I really don't think so. They think what they want you to burn would be, you know, trees, anything less than 4 inches thick, yard debris, leaves, you know. Yeah, I think that's really what the permits are for, not for, I guess they would call this people debris. Yeah, that's what I would call it, people debris, because it had to be made by people. It's not natural. You get a burn permit, generally it's for leaves. So I guess I got to get a rake and clean this up a little bit. Yeah, so yeah, that's cool. Got my little pile right there. I'll put my last bit in it now. Saturday. You know what time? I'm going to church this afternoon, by the way. What time is it? It's only 11:45. Wow, it's not even 12 o'clock. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is get all them bicycles around back. Yep, get them bikes around back for my guy. He can use the parts off of them. And shut my truck off. I guess that's the next thing to do. I just figured it ain't ran for a while. I'd start it, and I'm talking about, when I say a while, I mean since before my operation, a couple weeks. Get it, girl. You get that thing. Come here, bring it back. Well, put it down. Yeah, that's right, put it down. You go. Oh, you almost got it. She'll chase that thing over and over and over. All right, girl, that's it. All right.